Banff National Park, a realm where nature's artistry is on full display, is a sanctuary that beckons to the soul. Established in 1885, it stands as a testament to the beauty of the Rocky Mountains, a sprawling canvas of over 6,000 square kilometers that invites exploration and reverence. The moment you lay eyes on Lake Louise, with its striking turquoise waters cradled by towering snow-capped peaks, you understand why this place is a dream for adventurers and nature lovers alike. It's as if the mountains themselves are guardians of a secret, whispering tales of ancient glaciers and the relentless passage of time. In winter, the park transforms into a snowy wonderland, where the thrill of skiing at Sunshine Village or Lake Louise Ski Resort becomes an exhilarating dance with the elements. Each turn down the slopes feels like a celebration of life, the crisp air filling your lungs with every exhilarating descent. And as you pause to catch your breath, the sight of a grizzly bear lumbering through the trees or a moose grazing peacefully reminds you that you are but a visitor in this wild kingdom, a fleeting presence in a world that thrives on its own terms. But Banff is not just a playground for the adventurous, it's a place of connection. The town of Banff, nestled within the park, pulses with life, offering a blend of unique shops, fine dining, and vibrant arts. It's a gathering place where stories are shared over gourmet meals, where laughter echoes through the streets, and where the spirit of the mountains is woven into the fabric of everyday life. Here, amidst the stunning landscapes and modern comforts, you find a harmony that resonates deep within, a reminder that nature and culture can coexist beautifully, inviting you to return time and again.